Hi, I'm Dr. M. Joe Kaushik, andrologist specialized in penile implant surgery from Caroline Hospital, Nagarkoil. So, we are certified to do the different types of penile implants in India. So, today I'm going to talk about the what are the three main reasons you have to choose penile implant surgery in India. So, first of all, so India is a much safer country compared to the other countries in the world, especially the South India or the southern part of India where we are situated is a wonderful scenic place and it's much safer compared to all the other areas in India. So basically this helps you to have a homely feeling when you travel from UK, US, or even German countries or the Middle East, from wherever you are coming, it will be very comfortable for you to come for this penile implant surgery. The second most important reason is this safety in the terms of your monetary safety and your personal safety. So, in case of the money transfer, we are accepting all the Visa, MasterCards, and even debit and credit cards. So, from all over India, sorry, all over the world, all the cards are acceptable at our center. So, you can easily plan for the surgery. So, this will be a much easier way when you are planning for the penile implant surgery. And as you all know, in India, most of the places, the uh, the payment will be accepted in cash. But in our center, we accept in all forms of bank transfers or all the things, and this will be very helpful for your monetary safety. And regarding your personal safety, what all the things we follow, I'll tell you. So basically, the implants are procured from Boston Scientific, which is a US based company. So all the implants are procured from there when we are planning for the Boston Scientific, or if you are planning for the Zephyr implants, it's got from the European country, especially it's made in Switzerland. And if you're planning for other implants like Virlis, it's from Italy, and other things like Promodon, it's from Argentina. So whatever the implants you want to do, you can do it here because we procure it from the manufacturer and we get it after paying the taxes. So the implant is manufactured, and as it is manufactured, it's coming to our hands. So there won't be any change in the quality of the implant when you are planning for the implant surgery. The next thing is the consumables or the medicines which we use for the surgery. We use all the imported or the high quality grade medical grade consumables because for the implant surgery there is no chance of any compromise because we have to maintain our least infection rate. So we are one of the penile implant providers with the least infection rate in all over the world. In our center, the chance of infection is less than 0.01 percentage, which means it's almost equivalent to nil. Even in case of a severe uncontrollable diabetic patient who is of old age, which means we get a lot of patients around 70 years old with uncontrolled diabetes. So for all these patients, we will do the diabetic control for 2 to 3 days. Based on their control, then we plan for the surgery. And once we do the surgery, there will be the least chance of any infection. So it means the results of the surgery will be very good and it will be lasting forever for their condition. And the third thing we use is all the medicines which we give in the intravenous form or oral medications, it's all from the reputed brands, which means we get it from Cipla or Ranbaxy or all the international accredited brands. And even the drapes or the wipes or the consumables which we use like suction or the betadine, all the things it's imported for the penile implant surgery. So the main things like betadines or the drapes, which is all imported from 3M company, which you all would have been aware. It's a worldwide famous brand for known for its sterility. So one thing you can ask us is how can you do this implant surgery in such a cheaper rate? So first of all, we should understand that the penile implant surgery for a three-piece or the inflatable implants, it will be around $29,000 to $30,000 in the worldwide. But in India, it is just a fraction of the cost which you will be paying, which means we do the penile implant surgery, three-piece penile implant surgery for a flat of $11,000. So how we are able to do that? So first of all, the implant cost which we get from the manufacturers, it will be of the same cost worldwide. So we pay the same cost. In fact, we pay little more by paying taxes. The where we get the better benefit of the reducing the cost is the consumables and the medicines which we use are much cheaper when compared to the international market. For example, if you are using levofloxacin, if it costs you around $60 for an entire course of 7 days, here in India, it will cost you around $6 to $7. It means it will be around 1/7 of the price, and all the medicals, consumables, and the medicines will be around 1/10 to 1/20th of the price when compared to the international market. So that's how we are able to reduce the cost. And the second thing is about the manpower. So regarding the manpower, so for a OT assistant or a nurse who will be paid almost 5 to 6 times more compared to the in the European countries or the US or the Middle East. Here it will be around 1/5 or 1/6 of the price which we pay for them. So that's how the manpower cost is reduced. And most of all, for the penile implant surgeon, usually they charge around $12,000 to $13,000 per surgery. But in India, we charge around $3,000 to $4,000. And how this is possible is because we get a high volume of penile implant surgeries. So when we are doing around 3 to 4 implant surgeries where they do only one surgery, so we are able to get that cost. So it will not be a difficult task for us when we are a high volume penile implant surgeon. So whenever you are planning for a penile implant surgery, you can easily consider India, especially South India, because of the safety, and you get a wonderful scenic place, and there will be a safety for your monetary safety also, your money. And compared to all the countries and all the places, India, you can do the penile implant surgery at much cheaper price. So cheaper price with the same quality and the same results. So that's how India is becoming a big market of penile implant surgery worldwide. Especially this one we are doing in South India, and it's in the beautiful God's own created. It's near to the God's own created Kerala. So you will have a wonderful stay in our place, and you can have a wonderful result of the penile implant surgery. So these are all the things you should consider before the penile implant surgery when you are planning from abroad to do the surgery in India. So penile implant surgery, with penile implant surgery, we will be able to provide you a lifelong relief for your sexual dysfunction, and the results which you get it from here, you can see in our YouTube channel and in our Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and even in our website, all the results will be published. So you can see how we are able to achieve the result at the cheaper price and with a long-lasting results for the penile implant surgery with the least rate of infection. Thank you.